Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Tag Manager with your WordPress website using a plugin. Step by step, even if you are a beginner. First of all, go to tagmanager.google.com and click on create account name, and connect your country. Then your container name, something like that, as you wish. Then select on web as your target platform, then click create. After that, you will now see your Google Tag Manager container ID, something like that. Keep this account ID safe. We will need it soon. Then go to your WordPress backend website. Then plugin, go to plugin and add new plugin and add GTM for WP. In this plugin, you can click setting. After activating this plugin, go to setting and Google Tag Manager ID. Paste your Google. I cut this Tag Manager account because this is my existing, and I will copy this ID, then paste this ID. Yes, on and okay. Save change. It takes some time because our network issue. Then verify GTM is working or not. Go to preview. You can paste your website URL which you want to connect your GTM with your website. Then connect. It takes some time because sometimes your network issue or also have some. You can add extension Google Tag Manager to check our Tag Manager or website connect or not. This is very you can search on Google and extend connecting. Yeah, debug mode. Our connecting our tag manager is confirmed with Google Ads and our text assistant. Container name, container ID. This is our container ID, something like that. This is same. All is okay. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. You have successful connect Google Tag Manager with your WordPress website using a plugin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need help setting up tag like Google Tag Manager, Google Ads, or Facebook Pixel, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.